So these are the latest visuals on your screen. Prime Minister Modi, who is about to speak in the parliament in the next few hours, flanked by the senior most trusted leaders of his party. These are the latest visuals coming in because this is the NDA parliamentary party meeting. The senior leaders who are the members of parliament, most of them, of course, experienced faces in the Lok Sabha, they will now be the contributors to how Prime Minister Modi's speech will be, how will they react, what will they have to say. Home Minister Amit Shah there also has arrived for the NDA parliamentary meeting in the premises. That's the latest visual. Prime Minister Modi being received by the Law and Justice Minister Arjun Megwal. I can see Kiran Rijiju and other leaders as well, if I'm correct. Okay, so that's the visual. That's correct. As the members of parliament receive Prime Minister Modi. With the return of the government as 3.0, it's different because this time the opposition also has a bigger number. Joining me, Piyush Mishra for the latest on that. Piyush, what will be the focus of the NDA parliamentary meeting and how different do you think this parliamentary meeting could be, as much for the government as it is for the opposition?
Well, it's going to be very different because it's this time we are also seeing a maximum participation of NDA leaders. They are going to play a crucial role throughout the 5 years, and it is also the first parliamentary party meeting after the election of Narendra Modi as the leader of NDA parliamentary party leader. In today's meeting, we can expect the NDA to formulate its strategy as to how to counter the opposition. What we are also going to understand is that the BJP and NDA leaders will also be congratulating PM Narendra Modi for achieving a huge mandate so that the NDA has again been able to form the government. So PM Narendra Modi has just arrived. He was welcomed by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju and two other MOS Parliamentary Affairs, L. Murugan and Arjun Megwal. So the meeting is likely to go on for another half an hour. Prime Minister is also going to address, NDA leaders will also be addressing in this meeting. JP Nadda are likely to address, who is BJP's national president. So it's very crucial meeting which is right now underway, where the NDA is going to discuss about the counters, about the strategy of NDA. Remember, the Prime Minister is going to respond today at 5 p.m. and tomorrow in Rajya Sabha, Prime Minister will be making statements around 12 o'clock. So looking at
can you just reiterate again, what time are we expecting Prime Minister Modi to speak in the Parliament as a response, as motion of thanks?
Well, we have spoken to Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju. He told us that the Prime Minister's speech will be around 4 or maximum by 5. So we are taking it at 5 p.m. and tomorrow in Rajya Sabha, Prime Minister will be speaking around 12 p.m. So today 5 p.m. in Lok Sabha, tomorrow 12 p.m. in Rajya Sabha. This is what we are given to understand. In a few minutes from now, we will also get a confirmation as to when is Prime Minister is speaking. But it is for sure that Prime Minister will have to speak. He will be speaking on the motion of thanks to the President's address. But before that, there is a crucial meeting of NDA, which is right now underway in the Parliament, where all NDA leaders are present. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of strategy NDA is going to
can we also say, of course, this time, while this is a protocol, this is a motion of thanks following President address, and then what a fiery discussion it was. But because of the mentions that Rahul Gandhi had made, from Agniveer to NET, and then the whole Hindu community issue, who's a real Hindu, and if Hindus are violent, as the BJP is alleging that he's targeted the community and hurt sentiments, that could also take the focus as and when Prime Minister Modi replies.
Well, absolutely. That would also be one of the important focuses. Prime Minister will reply during the motion of thanks.
We'll go across to Piyush in just a short while. He's at the Parliament right now and bringing us these visuals. Prime Minister Modi, Kiran Rijiju, Arjun Ram Megwal, Home Minister Amit Shah as well. All other leaders who, of course, have significant portfolios when it comes to senior ministries. There are union ministers who are representing the government. Ramdas Davle also there. And it will be important because, remember, Prime Minister Modi's speech will be very different how it was in the previous motion of thanks. With such a fiery mention and now an energized boost to the opposition, how will Prime Minister Modi set the record straight? Because both NET and Agniveer, remember, apart from the Hindu issue, deals about the youth of this country and deals about sensitive issues like medical profession and the soldiers who keep our countries safe and secure.